What do you say? I know the little one didn't like me. She's like, "Rawr, I'm gonna eat you, mother flower." You see, now that I see your camera and I see my camera,
I know.
you can see the difference.
I need to get a different.
Because
Camera's dying.
yesterday, was it yesterday or this morning? I was, playing with your camera, and when you put it on, you can see like the big difference.
Yeah, my camera's. It won't even focus anymore. See, there's a lake right there.
Yeah, we gotta get close to it.
No, but it goes closer when you keep going. See how big this leak is?
God damn. That's a big leak, man. What is the name of this trail?
Lime Rock Ridge.
Line Rock Bridge.
Yeah.
How many miles is this trail?
It's not a lot. I don't remember how. It's probably like 3 miles
3 miles, that's a lot.
to go around.
That's like walking maybe like 2 hours.
No, you can probably do it in an hour. But there's 2 loops. There's 2 different loops. So, depending on which, if you do both the loops, it's kind of fun.
God damn.
But I usually go on one loop and then transfer to the other loop, and then just.
I think the longest
It usually takes me like 40 minutes.
hike I ever done was the what's the one we did with your dad?
Mount Washington.
Mount Washington. Yeah, I was like fucking
that's the
12
ultimate.
hours.
Hike in.
Once we got to the top, I didn't wanna hike down anymore. I was like, hell no, let's take the train back.
You were way faster going down there.
I know. I was like, fuck, because I wanted to make it to the
You wanted to get it
to the
over.
barn to the barn. No,
See, look at this.
that looks so nice.
Yeah, there's other spots around it.
All right, let's keep walking.
Keep going around.
Huh?
Keep going around.
Oh, so just keeps going around the lake.
Yeah.
Back to where we parked.
Yeah.
So there's different marks on the trees, right? Like yellow and blue, something like that.
Yeah, the other color is the other trail.
Oh, so it's 2 different trails.
The other trail is like a little bit like more up and downhill. This one's more flat. The other side.
So have you done the other one yet?
Yeah, that's the one I usually start off on
Oh,
and then
gee.
transfer to this one.
So there's a lot of ups and downs.
There's more up and down on the other one.
No, I don't want to do that one.
It's not like severe, it's just. Okay, it's the sun through the trees. This is a nice trail because not many people know about it.
Yeah, it's kind of in a
Because-
weird spot to find too because
Yeah.
you know,
Not a
like
lot
not
of
everybody gonna go through the side roads and like through the neighborhood to find it.
Because there's like the Lincoln Woods, but that's not like this. It's like not, the trail is not as secluded like this.
Hey, something. I think something dead over there.
You kinda get there.
Look all these birds.
Yeah, I know. Why is it saying that?
I know there's something. Probably some food over here or something.
It says like temperature. Something smells like it's burning, doesn't it?
No, I think just the wetness of the leaves. Yeah.
See over here, there's like this weird clearing. I don't know why it's there.
Maybe they used to do sacrifices in that area.
I know. I
They
think
said-
like some
they said-
witches have their meetings over there.
They used to do some witchcraft.
There's just like a tree over there.
Yeah, they probably used to hang people over here.
See, there's like some
There's
gravel.
probably some spirits in this area.
I could totally see witches having some
Yeah, I know.
meetings over here.
Yeah, don't go all the way up. Don't go all the way
I
up there.
think it's because the road keeps going that way.
Oh, it's a road over here. So what is that for? Do they create energy with this water?
No. I think they just built this like as a dam or